Hey everybody, it's Abby. I just wanted to hop on really quickly and give you guys an update about my language challenge. So if you're not aware, back in January, I started a 30-day Spanish language challenge. And my goal at the end of all this is to be able to just have a very basic conversation in Spanish because I'm a beginner right now, but I have a lot of sort of anxiety about speaking. So I feel that if I can get this first conversation out of the way, just a basic conversation, figuring out how to introduce myself and ask some questions about the person I'm speaking to, that should give me a really great boost of confidence to go meet some other language partners. So in my first week, my goal was just to learn 5 new flashcards a day with my MosaLingua app, and that went really well. Because I'm already kind of in the habit of doing that most days. So that was great. Then in my second week, I added an activity. So I added a dialogue. I listened to a dialogue every day. And I started with the conversation exchange dialogue in the app because it talks a lot about, introducing yourself and some basic vocabulary you might need for that and how those kind of exchanges could go down. And that also went well, but I have to be honest, I missed a day, so I did break my chain of those nice long chain of smiley faces that I had going on. But that's okay. I got right back on the horse the next day and started a brand new chain, so I really hope that I'll be able to carry that through till the end of my challenge. So in my third week, I started preparing my script. So I had been working on vocab and listening comprehension, and now I'm really getting into, okay, what are the sentence structures that I'm going to need? What are some possible questions I could ask or that they might ask me? So I'm really preparing a sort of script of how I think it might go. Obviously, it probably won't go exactly how I envision, but it's nice to have that sort of structure just as a backup and know roughly what I'm going to be talking about. So that's what I'm working on this week, in addition to those 2 other activities that I've already introduced. And then next week, my 4th week, so this will be up until the very end of my challenge, I'll be just really focusing on memorizing those phrases that I want to use, the questions, my answers, how to introduce myself, and also working on incorporating some more of those emergency phrases. So just in case, my internet connection is bad, maybe I need to know how to say, can you repeat that in Spanish? So just working on some backup things just so that I'm as comfortable as possible during that conversation. So keep an eye out on the video on the YouTube channel for a video about wrapping up my journey and a little snippet from the conversation that I'll be having with our Spanish teacher, Mirari, which you may already know her from the channel. And I want to hear about how your challenge is going. So send me a message, leave us a comment, show me your nice little chain of X's, and I hope everything is going well for you. All right, bye-bye.
If you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up. Then hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Have a look around our channel for more hacks and tips. And if you're watching on another social media platform, like or follow our page. See you next time.